Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to activate adaptive connectivity on your Google Pixel 7a and above models. Okay, it is very simple. Simply open your menu from your phone. Okay, then open Settings application and open Network and Internet. You can see here second option, and after that, open Adaptive Connectivity. Here you can see adaptive connectivity, extends battery life and improves device performance by automatically managing your network connections. Tap on that button to turn on and it will be automatically manage your network connectivity like Wi-Fi and mobile data, and it is very useful, but sometimes it will be frequently change your network. If you have problem with that, you can simply turn off these settings from here, but actually it is improve your battery consumption by managing Wi-Fi and mobile networks. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.